Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of loading photos on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve loading photos problem on Pinterest, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Pinterest here and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.